Taho. Taho. What's up na color?
White.
And
Black.
makes.
Wait. It makes spring.
Good job. Good job, kid. Is it working?
Look, I make a happy face. Grass.
Grass getting it, okay. Okay. That's it, that's it. Is that raining?
Yes.
Okay, where'd you put the sun? Where'd you... That's cute. It's pretty cool. Are you done with your painting?
Yes.
That is so cool. What do you think? You like it? Are you happy with this? What else? What else you want to add?
What's
That's pretty cool. Well, high five. You did a good job.
Oh, wait.
What are you making, Eros? Is that a ghost?
No, that's a shark.
Shark? Okay. Alright, keep painting.
That's
Go! You did that. Wow.
Now you need to put it in the wall.
Okay. They look sick.
But what happened to the head? It looks like what is that puppy name?
What puppy name?
Oh!
No, the small one like looks like Chihuahua. His head looks like
The other one. The other one. Like, I don't know what's going on with him. The way I painted it's not right. So anyway, mga kawagets, we went to the DIY store, just a quick trip because we needed just a few things, and we got just this one because it's for our kuya because he has a sensitive skin, so we got him his own liquid soap, and he needed this one, and plus for his recognition, they're gonna be wearing school uniforms, so we needed some new socks. And then we got the Type-C
And
charger because this little boy broke it. Because he broke our charger the other day, so we got a new one. Papa needs this for his rakal. Just the one. But
take
I'll
a
be able-
shower.
So Papa needs one for his rakal, and 2 of them will be mine. I'll be using it for something else. Maybe for the kids, pencils, crayons, and stuff like that. That one's a DIY store. And then last thing is this, a pair of sunglasses for me because during the recognition day for Kuya, it's going to be an outside event, an outdoor event. So I need something, just a cheap one. I need something to protect my eyes because it's going to be sunny. If it's going to be sunny, if it's not going to be a rainy day. So if it's going to be a sunny day, I needed a pair of glasses. It says to be men's sunglasses, but oh well. I don't know. I just needed something. I think it looks nice. I love the color. So that's it. Just a quick one to the DIY store. Mr. DIY is a new store here in Isabel, at least here in our town. Huh? So that's it. That's what we got. Just a quick one. I'm gonna charge the other phone with this one. Alright. Yaris is here to pick up his cake for graduation. Morning. Awkward si Kuya sa public. We're here to pick up some cake. Pick up some cakes. Those are delicious, baby. Yummy cakes, no? No? Think yummy cakes? Okay. Come on. Okay, okay. Alright, good morning mga kawagit. So, it's a busy day because it's our little one's graduation day. Sarah's graduation day. He's gonna get a haircut. Traffic.
My birthday cake.
Birthday cake or graduation cake?
It's for high school.
So Eris is
My birthday.
graduating today. So because he is the school's first honor,
I love
so
my
Lolo and Lola
Ah,
gave him a reward and it's a cake, huh?
I love my birthday.
So he calls it birthday cake, but it's his graduation now. You go to school next week. So it's his reward cake for doing a great job at school. So we are here at the barber shop. He's gonna get a new haircut. Alright, we'll see you in a bit. What you got? Okay, while waiting for his turn, Eris is playing flowers. Santan? I don't know what the name of it. Santan. Those are santan. What are you gonna do?
I got it.
Cheers. 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 Hi. Good ba yun na ay? Very good ba na ay? Okay. May speech para ba taron? Naglog-log ha?
Most bigger.
Well, they are small ones. Yung ay mo. Mag-walk ka pa po. Ayun. Eee, good job. Thank you. Wow, they did wrong. Okay, but Eris, hi. Hi, Eris. Hi, congratulations, Eris, on your graduation day from Mama and Papa. Lolo and Lola lang tato. Kaya kay Lolo and Lola maning gift. Ayo diha, ayo. Mani.
Oo. Mas gym.
Mani 20. That's 20 ni pa.
Oh.
Mani. This is nice. Purple. Nasa na yung cellphone.
Okay, daghan ta.
Hello, Kalami. Thank you. Daghay blessing. Ano na palitsyon. Loto sa kagkanon. Lami iya? What do you say?
Thank you, happy
My
birthday.
birthday. Kaya mo sa
Eat. Ang kao ni Kuya nga na chihuahua. Chihuahua. Asa to isa iya nga nawa malaging isa ka karabaw nimo ya. Di na may usa ka tong plain lang. Di na usa ka tong plain lang. Oh, nade. Di naman makita. It's Kuya's turn. Yeah, tomorrow is Kuya's recognition day. Yeah, mo stand po ka nga to sa stage and kuha ni Kuya's award. Dawat ni Kuya. Hi Kuya. Kuya, ay kagwapo. Yeah, look ka mamaya. Yeah. Hello. Luya si mong naong niya eh. Kuya, hi! Congratulations yan. Kuya's got a bouquet or a balloon, ha? Huh? This is it, Pansit. It's Kuya's not graduation, but recognition. Recognition. Congratulations, Kuya. We'll see you in a bit. We are heading to Esmea, and Eros is having his breakfast. Bread lang ng breakfast ni Eros. Hey!
April 11, 2025 with a theme, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay sa Bagong Pilipinas. And to open our program, we will now begin, and let us witness, ladies and gentlemen, the processional march.
Hi guys! Hi Kuya!
I would like to leave a quotation that says, success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. At the end of the academic year 2024-2025, may your future be bright, your dreams be big, and your success be numerous. Once again, good morning and congratulations! Congratulations, everyone. God bless you.
Mohayos. Bread, bring mohayos. Someone's happy with his popcorn. Let's go, let's. Yeah. Nanapa dito. And order lang pizza sa EDC Pizza House.